morning. Everybody are fine? Okay, children, everybody are fine? Yes, everybody are fine. Smile. Yes. So, how are you all? Very healthy, active, right? Yes, because you are at home. You are taking immunity foods, all dry fruits, okay? Fruits, liquid things. In time you are going on everything. So, you are staying home, stay safe, right? Okay. So now, before we start the class, let us introduce to our new friend. Who is our new friend? Yes, Toto. Everybody is familiar with our friend, right? Toto. Yes, everybody is familiar, right? So, good morning, Toto. See, I have said good morning to Toto. Children, you say good morning. Yes, good morning. Toto, say good morning to all to your friends. Good morning, friends. Okay? Okay, Toto, right. Now, children, we are going to start. We are in block 13, right? What is block 13? Seasons. Summer season, winter season, and rainy season. Okay? Math time. LP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So, what is today? Today, we have a story of thirsty crow. You know that story. Everybody know that story. Right? In your Tales and Tune book, page number 67. That's the thirsty crow. This is the picture cards. Story picture cards of thirsty crow. One hot day, the thirsty crow flew over the fields looking for water. Right? This crow is flying over the fields. He is very thirsty. Okay? Looking for water. For a long time, he couldn't find any water. For a long time, going on flying, but he could not find water anywhere. Okay? She felt very weak. She almost gave up hope. She left her hopes that I will not get any water. Okay, this crow. After that, suddenly the crow saw a pot in the garden. So, suddenly the crow saw a pot in the garden. Right? She flew straight down to see if there is any water inside. She flew and she sat on the pot and she wants to see if there is any water in the pot. Okay. Yes, she could find some water. She could find some water inside the pot. Okay. She found some water inside the pot. So, the crow tried to push her head into the pot. See, she is trying to put her total head to reach the water because she is very thirsty. She wants water. She is feeling very weak because of no water for a long time. She is going on flying and in search of water. Right? So, she put her head inside the pot. Sadly, the neck of the pot was too narrow. The neck of the pot was too narrow. The head, she could not reach the water. Okay. So, then she tried to tip the pot over for the water to flow out. But the water was too heavy. Pot was too heavy. She wanted to tip the pot, but the pot was too heavy. Right? She could not tip the pot also. The crow thought hard for a while. So what should I do? What should I do? She was going on thinking, I want water. When I saw the water inside the pot, I could not bear to want that water. So then she saw some pebbles nearby. She had an idea. Then she was looking here and there. She saw some pebbles. Okay. She saw some pebbles. Okay. And what did she do? she dropped the pebbles. She got an idea. Let me take that pebbles and drop one by one. Okay, she started dropping the pebbles from her, catching the pebble in her mouth, dropping into the pot. She had an idea. She dropped the pebbles into the pot one by one. As more and more pebbles filled the pot, the water kept rising. She put 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, she put how many pebbles? More and more pebbles she has put. The pebbles are residing under the pot and the water is rising up. The water kept rising. Soon it was high enough for the crow to drink. Her plan had worked. Okay, whatever she thought an idea, the plan was worked, and after putting the pebbles inside the pot, the water came up, the crow drank the water and it was very happy, and she flew away happily saying cow, cow, cow. Right? So that was the idea of the crow to drink water. Okay, so this is the story of the thirsty crow. Now you have to learn the story. A little short and I'm going to say you have to learn the story. Okay, once the crow was very thirsty. It searched for water here and there. Okay, it searched for water here and there. At last, it found a pot with very little water in it. But she couldn't reach it. The clever crow got an idea. He threw pebbles in the pot one by one. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Once again, once the crow was very thirsty. It searched for water here and there. At last, he saw a pot with very little water in it, but he could not reach it. The clever crow got an idea. He threw pebbles in the pot one by one. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Okay, children? So this poem everybody will know in Hindi also. एक कौवा प्यासा था, right? Okay ना? एक कौवा प्यासा था, जग में थोड़ा पानी था, कौवा डाला कंकर, पानी आया ऊपर, कौवा पिया पानी, खत्म हो गई कहानी. Okay? Everybody know it? Okay, right. So this is the story. We have finished about the crow. Now we have a round math, that is counting from 1 to 5. Okay? I can count from 1 to 5. I can count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With a number here and a number there. With a number here and a number there. Here a number, there a number. Everywhere there's a number. I can count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Once again. I can count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With a number here and a number there. Here a number, there a number. Everywhere there's a number. Everywhere there's a number. I can count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children? So this is the rhyme. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So now we have here we finished our story. We finished our counting numbers 1 to 5, and we have another in a scrapbook. This is our scrapbook. In a scrapbook, we have to block 13. We have to write like this. Draw a picture where the raindrop will go next. Okay. So this is okay now. This is, see, let me see. This is all sand, right? Right, ma? This is all sand. Okay. So on the sand there are trees. Okay. Okay. And here, okay, here is a flower. So on the flower, dewdrop of water is there. Okay. And here there is a sun. Okay, here is a sun, right? So here this dewdrop is with the sun's rays. Okay, this dewdrop goes up and forms cloud, right? And forms cloud. And this cloud has this cloud is full of this dewdrops. It cools. After cooling, this raindrop, this will fall as water, right? On the earth, on the tree. Okay, so here with the sun's rays, this is forming clouds. This dewdrop is forming clouds with the sun's rays. And this sun's rays after goes to the clouds and the clouds cools. And again the water is falling as rain on the earth. The same flower. On the same flower it falls as rain. Okay now? So this is the picture where the raindrop will go next. From the flower, with the help of the sun's rays, it goes and forms clouds, and the clouds cools down and falls as few drops as rain, and on the same flower it falls as rain. Okay now? So this is the story of the dewdrop. And here in the next page, paste the picture related to 3 seasons from the block 13. I'll show you how to paste it. You have to paste it like that. See, this is the picture. Summer season, rainy season and winter season. These 3 pictures you have to paste it here. Okay, summer under summer season, rainy under rainy season, winter under winter season. Okay, you have to paste these 3 pictures. Okay now? Right ma? Okay, so we have finished count numbers, story, scrapbook and pasting of pictures. So will you all do it and will you all paste it like that and learn the story with using the picture cards. Okay? Right, bye.